This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials and taking action right away. Create your App Inventor project, add a text box for user input, a button to send, and a label or list view for replies. Once done, get an API key from your chosen service. Keep it private. Make sure to add a web component to the screen and enable internet permission in project settings. This connects your app to the AI. Now you have the UI and access ready, and you can move to block-level integration. Next, you implement the logic in blocks. When the button, click event fires, construct a JSON payload that includes the user text and optional recent messages for context. This improves coherence. Then call web post text to your API endpoint, setting content type to application/JSON and adding authorization, bearer plus your key. Once the call returns, use web. Got text to parse the JSON response, extract the assistant text, and update the display. Make sure to handle async timing and show a loading state while waiting. To finish, focus on quality and robustness. Save short conversation history in TinyDB and trim older entries to stay within token or payload size limits. This maintains context while controlling cost. Add input validation and simple retry logic for network errors, plus friendly messages when the API fails. Also implement throttling to respect rate limits and avoid dropped requests. If things go wrong, first check your API key and endpoint. Ensure headers and JSON format match the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.